part the UK embassy there? Which part it there? Which part the UK embassy there? UK one. All right, so the place up at New Kingston hour. The place up at New Kingston hour. You said US by mistake. Are you came here talk about sorry? The place up at New Kingston hour. I USA, me never say UK, me say UK. This place up at New Kingston, the big tall building. When you go upstairs, I want a floor up there, which I let me go. From in January. I never lay back on my passport till yesterday. And when the woman take my passport from me, she look at me and tell me, say 3 weeks time. 3 weeks time. 3 weeks time. You see the picture what me do with the boy I saw show where Destiny said black embassy me I come from. Me and him go embassy one time. The blood clot too. I let me go. The place about New Kingston. Carry my book, I let me left my book. I let me left my book. The place about New Kingston. Well, it's for a fingerprint. When I do fingerprint on your eyes and then take the book and tell me say rate and play. Everything change up now. Everything change up now in Jamaica. So them go ask them could a visa center, them go them issue visa there. No Birmingham on the 28th, miss. So I want the people them will still me want the people them will buy the ticket. Still support Killer Philip and him party. I remember that not if they don't mean not if they don't pay nothing, I'm gonna support him. Coco, go and go support him, Coco. It's unfortunately them it's unfortunately them I mean I get nothing. So I saw you go. You don't have to tell me hush baby. You don't have to tell me hush me baby because you see in a life, Father God open doors no man can close. I say me know the art me have and me know the good when me carry on. Them can always do what them want to do. But I help me my suitcase there. I make clothes on me I make one nice white clothes. Me pay the woman 25,000. How much money it cost me to make the little suit? And I got clean at 25,000, 30. I get 30, almost $40,000. Almost $40,000 for the clothes. I'm gonna buy a little cheap booty off a Shein. I'm a little handbag and I have my suitcase in a box. So I pack in there. Today I pack in there. Today would have been packing there this morning, pack my suitcase. Fingernail and eye boom boom. Hairstyle and fleek. Pack my suitcase tomorrow now. After England I go. So long as I play would be a nice start off in the life, eh? People would be proud of their mother. They want me gateway. Me that open gateway for them, Gateway Plaza store. Me I pave the way and live journey. That's how you go. That's how you go. What am I gonna do about that? When me say the pit name, you know, them that proud of me. Them see the real champion in action. Me not so over me just think about life and life journey. What kind of back where I can't tell me about member they no background. Tell me no thief, me no gunman. What you mean by them a do background check? Do what I wanna conspire. Do what I will conspire and tell with this and tell that and talk this and talk that. Do what I will conspire. So we ask them I go do what kind of background check. Me no thief. Me no scam nobody. Me not a criminal record. Me no convict. So what you say? The only thing was stopping me from going to England was what she write on the paper. Me no convict. Come here, Sophia. What's wrong with you, Sophia? Come here, miss. Sophia, when me attack, I kiss a teeth, bitch. Move. Me no convict. When me attack, Sophia, me know you come kiss her teeth. Girl and me, them scam, me never spend $1. And the promoter, man, me sorry if I will pay him money and book this and book that and know me can't go. And the agency do what she have to do. You know me? I'm gonna return nobody will kiss them teeth black them. So the prayer where she bother come and pray yesterday morning. Me nah God bother gonna be a baby young man. Me nah bother gonna say now for praying a prayer. You can't rejoice now. You can't rejoice, my baby.
Last night, that's something. I want to go on food.
Yeah, the one that were ready for go rejoice and you go and go rejoice. So FYP me I wait. And follow me Instagram, Rosalie _best topic _ I post over there. And please do please do
Fuck off. Fuck off to blood clot. Fuck you, black bro.
One to you.
Ask a bitch you want to her.
Really?
I'm gonna hold your blood clot on you know. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Blood clot. I'm a blood clot though. That was it, I'm gonna you. I'm a bomb clot, so I'm gonna hear you and that's it. What? What am I going to play? No blood clot one for you neither. Let somebody follow you. The bomb clot. I want to move your blood clot, you know. I'm not clot. No, we're not off. I want to move your blood clot. I want to move your blood clot. I want to move blood clot for you now.